Gala Games is seeing a very nice bounce to the upside after bouncing on a key area of support at the 0.02602, and at the time of this recording, Gala Games is now attempting to break above resistance at the 0.02806, and a successful break above that key area of resistance, flipping it back into support. Then I will be watching for higher prices, where we first need to see a break above these highs that we made today at the 0.02846, and a break above those significant highs. That will be mega bullish for Gala Games, where I will be having my next target areas back above the 0.03, and a break back above the 0.03 will be so bullish, having my next target areas back above the 0.035. And in today's video, I will also be focusing on what I'm expecting on the long term, and also give you areas within which I am placing my DCA orders here on the Gala Games chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I've shared with you that on the first case scenario that I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart, the moment we manage to close back above support at the 0.02806 and break above today's highs, then I will be expecting higher prices, having the 0.03 as my first target area. We also need to have in mind that there are also chances that we can see a pullback from the current prices, and in case of such a movement, flipping this key area of support back into resistance, maybe with a retest, we can easily see another pullback to support at the 0.02602. And as long as Gala Games continues to hold above that key area of support, we can expect another bounce back. And on the worst case scenario, in case we see that pullback to support, and maybe at some point we lose this key area of support, then I will be expecting darker things here on the Gala Games chart, where we can easily see a breakdown move to the 0.022, where we have our next key areas of support. And jumping now to the daily chart to give you my long-term expectation, and also give you areas within which I am placing my DCA orders here on the Gala Games chart. I will be using the daily chart, and I will also zoom out so that you can see the data from last year in October, where we placed a bear market low at the 0.01212. And after getting that significant low, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside this year in a move that gave us a high above the 0.0872. And after getting that significant high, we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move, and we can term this whole movement to the upside to this year's highs as an Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. So we can term this as a wave 1. And whatever we are seeing at the moment is a bit of a corrective move in the formation of this second wave. And once we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 3, that is the second wave, I will be expecting a massive push to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue gearing up even higher in the formation of that Elliot wave count 5 to the upside. And to give you the minimum target areas for the second wave, I will be using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made last year, that is the bear market lows, to the highs that we made this year, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. So much of a consolidation within that area. And then at some point we lost the fib level 0.618, giving us a pullback to the fib level 0.78, and that perfectly lies at the 0.02844. And at the time of this recording, Gala Games is attempting a break above that key area on the Fibonacci's. So the moment we manage to break above it and continue seeing that bullish momentum, then there are high chances that that could be the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And we also need to have in mind that here on the Fibonacci's, we also need to continue holding above significant areas And the last line of support here on the Fibonacci is the Fib level 0.88, which perfectly lies at the 0.02143. If by any chance Gala Games loses this key area on the Fibonacci, then I will be expecting a total breakdown, giving us a reset of the bear market lows that we made last year. But as long as you continue holding above the Fib level 0.88, then there are chances that we now have a low in place in this wave 2, and in the next coming days or maybe months, we could start an impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of this Elliot wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And it is within this area that I have highlighted in blue on the charts where I have placed my DCA orders, expecting them to be filled in the next coming days. And maybe in the next coming days we can start that massive run up to the upside. So that's all for this video, and I hope that video was of much help to you.